Yeah, question is good. What it means by permanent happiness in life. What it means by permanent happiness in life. Do you want to be happy in the morning? Do you want to be happy in the afternoon? Do you want a happiness in the evening, night, next day? With me, with anyone, with your honey? That is what the permanent happiness is. And that is the goal of the Eastern wisdom. That is what we need to discover because we are of the nature of peace and happiness, is what the any meditation, mindfulness, etc. So, if we are of the nature of permanent peace and happiness, then what prevents me to realize that permanent happiness in life? What prevents? And the simple answer is a sense of insecurity, a fear, a dissatisfaction. I want to get all the satisfaction, I want to remove all the fears and insecurity from the world outside. I feel as if the sense of security lies in the world outside. Money cannot buy the security, happiness, dissatisfaction. It cannot get us rid of all the fears. Yes, question is interesting. Is the world place of permanent happiness? Answer is yes if you express the happiness from within to the world. No, a big no. The world is not a place for permanent peace and happiness. Why? Can you tell me? Coffee has a property of permanent peace and happiness. Can you tell me, is the home has a property of peace and happiness? The answer is no. No object, no person, no event in a situation has the property of happiness. Hence, answer is big no. That we need to realize.